But everything is okay naman so far, ma'am.
Mo, di tingali to, no?
Wala ka, VP.
Actually, nag-chismis magod mini Pierre, di ka ganina. Tapos, sulti na ang security na I have to go da, I have to go. And then PRD requested 5 minutes extension para lang mahuman ang chismis ba. But said no, not today. But on any other day, yes. So I was thinking maybe, I don't know.
Okay.
I do not know. Basta na siya lain na schedule pa.
Okay. VP Inday, yung recently concluded mo na meet and greet sa London, nakita ng buong mundo na solid talaga ang suporta sa iyo ng taong bayan. That's basically the trust and confidence of overseas Filipino workers just for London alone. How do you feel, ma'am, seeing that particular crowd?
Well, heartwarming at nakakaiyak dahil karamihan sa kanila kapag na face-to-face na, ang una talaga nilang tanong is kamusta na si Tatay Digong. At kung hindi man yan, ang sinasabi ay ipaabot mo yung aming pagmamahal at pagdarasal kay Tatay Digong. So, karamihan talaga doon yung kanilang pangungulila kay President Duterte.
VP